So here's what we got going on here. We're gonna take a Redbull and we're gonna put it in a humidifier. And we're just gonna see what happens. So I have a hot air humidifier and a cold air humidifier, and we're gonna see which one this kind of works out better for. This is just kind of one of those bucket list check off marks. I've always wanted to do this. Now, in case you guys didn't know, we give stuff away. And if you want to be entered to win one of the things we give away, all you have to do is be subscribed. You can watch the next video to see if you won, or we'll just hunt you down the old fashioned way. Alright, now both humidifiers are plugged in, and it looks like we got a little winner here. The hot air one's going, and the cold air one's going. Nice. It's working! Yes! All right, now we'll do a smell test to see what they smell like. It kind of smells like it tastes. I wonder if I'll get a carbonation high off of this. So what does it taste like? It kind of tastes like sweet, like a sweet air kind of, sort of. Okay, now this hot air one doesn't smell very good. It's kind of gross. And it tastes like burned cotton candy. And it smells like burned cotton candy. I'm gonna see if I can soak up any of the moisture and maybe I can taste it. See if I can get a taste of Redbull. Go to sleep. It's starting to get damp. All right, so let's see what this tastes like. It doesn't taste like Redbull. All right, well, I think we have our winner. Definitely the cold air humidifier, much tastier and smells better, and it's just better. And the hot air one, not so much. Disgusting. So this has been the Redbull humidifier taste, test, smell, review thing. Oh, my beard is sticky. Tastes better if you just drink it.